Our SPITWATER HP201 SAE is one of our most popular models in our industrial Australian-made pressure cleaner range that has been trusted in Australia for over 40 years. This machine, like all of our heavy duty or industrial models, comes standard with our Honda GX engine. It also uses our extremely reliable Interpump pump. Some of the other unique features of this machine are our OzTough belt drive system and our bypass cooling tank. Both of these systems allow for the machine for lower maintenance cost to run cooler, basically extending the pump life of your machine. This machine is fitted with the electric start option from Honda. This electric start version makes it much easier when you're starting and stopping this machine multiple times a day, but still allows for the redundancy of pull start. The 201 SAE delivers an impressive 21 litres per minute of flow at 200 bar or approximately 2,900 PSI of pressure, making it the ideal machine for any industrial application, from cleaning the heaviest machinery, cleaning the largest warehouses. Hard jobs made easy with SPITWATER.